make like shots for an intro, put music over it.
Look at the front of our car.
What the?
Oh, we put our shoes like right inside. Yeah, we put our shoes inside the crack.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I had to strap mine like with 3 straps, but
3 straps for 1 pad. What a lame-o. You losing gas?
this cup's too small.
Is it? Grab the food.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're in Red Rock, Nevada, and we're gonna do a climbing trip here. Bought myself some new shoes. Doing a little unboxing. So it's gonna be the Evolve Shamans. I bought it because one of my most inspirational climbers used to wear them. Rest in peace, Brad Gobright. I saw him use it in one of his free solos. Here they are. Really aggressive shoe, really downturned, and it like very snug. And what I really liked about it when I tried it on is like so comfy on the top. Yeah. Here's what it looks like on the inside. And then right here. So we're just gonna go to sleep and wake up at 5 a.m. to try some bouldering. See you then.
This is the way. This is the way.
Bro, that's so sick.
First time when you park next to Rock Entrance.
Yeah, first time in a Rock Entry.
Hi.
So what's your real name?
Oswaldo.
Oswaldo. Oh yeah,
You can call me Ozzy. Yeah.
Check out his channel. I'll link it.
Awesome.
Yeah, and I see you in some of the videos too.
Yeah. Brendan's in some of the videos.
Cool.
We've
Nice to
been
meet
shooting
you.
today, too.
Good luck. Can't wait for
Yeah.
the video.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Right there.
You see why Frank has that here?
Austin's got that.
Oh, I think if you put your right foot closer to the like your body, you get more like leg drive, so you can just stand straight up.
Yeah, keep it straight, up and down.
Twitter.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Alright, was trying that. This first flapper. Oh my god.
You can take a wet wipe.
Thanks, bro.
If you just bandage it, it'll help heal.
No, it just ripped off.
Yeah, because it won't get like oxidized or something.
Ow.
There's not really any holds.
My middle finger's so weak.
Yeah, you just gotta.
Same, my middle
clench
finger
your butt
can't
in your hand.
grip that, the
Or
starting
you can
hold.
climb down. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
what I was
that's what I
thinking,
do.
yeah.
I move over where it's narrow, I get in it, and then I start scooting to the
Take
side.
this to the other side.
No. He'll still finish on this side.
It's just that. Starting
Nice.
Yeah, because this side is just so wide and then I go over again. Are you gonna be okay, Brian?
Nice, you got it.
It's pretty easy climbing this base down too.
Let's go! Let's go!
No one saw it.
Can you let me know what this song is?
You go, you throw around the red a little bit.
That's a big move right there. That's a big move.
What is this song called? Numa. That's a sick song. Okay, I just put that as my background.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get there. I can't go down. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I know, I always just climb into like tall people. I'm like, woo! And then get there.
There you go.
Nice.
All right, make one move.
Yeah, you got it.
Like this, where I ran my face off
There it is. Come on.
the side of the wall.
Yeah, there it is.
Nice.
Yep.
Come on, Bob.
You got it? Those are jugs.
Got it. Yeah, you got it.
Come on, keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. The top outer jugs too.
You got this, boss.
Slight.
Very top, yeah.
Money.
Nice job.
Look at that flash.
I think that was my first other flash outdoor.
Screw you.
It's a good line.
Good, bud.
Just get that toe trusted.
We're leaving
Right
you
there,
here.
there it is. Yeah.
Bye, boss.
There you go. First flash outdoor. I think it's a good one to film.
Alright, so we just finished some climbs, but we're gonna be trying some cooler ones later in the day. Some pretty highball stuff. So stay tuned. What are your names?
Clay.
What are your Instagrams?
Carlito El Burrito.
California Dream 925.
Okay,
Carlito with the K.
I'll follow y'all.
See you guys.
Stay well. It's so hot. So hot. So hot. So hot. You feeling it?
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
It's so like dry right now. My eyelids are like sticking to each other up here. It's so weird.
Nice.
It's gonna get warm down there, Michelle.
Bunk bed days. What's up? It's me again. And Brian Nguyen. So we're out here at Red Rock again, but it's nighttime.
Yeah.
Aren't they typically all like? How does a beast move is one at the top? I'm good.
How far is it?
You got
Oh, wow.
this. He's like halfway.
Hey man, it's gonna get easier soon. Weight off your knees.
Yeah.
Does it feel secure?
Also, can you throw me some chalk?
Oh, you don't have any more?
It's like rubbing off my hand.
Throw up a chalk bag. Just put on your waist. Oh no, you can't, huh? Or put it in front of you.
I'm surprised he's making it through that crack with that giant set of balls he has.
It's
getting like way too wide though.
Oh, really?
Nice.
Got
Nice.
Now you can see my one.
Beach well.
Yes.
He's like, oh, there's the light I needed.
Nice.
Hey, congrats, man. Come down safe, please.
Did you take off your light?
Don't show my mom this.
A soft head. He's like, I've been wearing that hat all day. I've been sweating. It's a little moist. Soften up my skull.
Boss, let us know when you. Oh.
He's already yellow.
Thanks for the heads up.
Yeah. His butt's up.
Nice. Nice.
Let's get it.
Nice. There's a divot for your right foot, right near your knee. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, is that rail that
Oh,
good?
oh, oh.
It looks good. It looks sharp, but
Yeah, he's
It
like
looks wide.
holding it.
Yeah, I mean he's lost
he's
both
on
feet.
there.
Let's go, Qua.
Nice.
Nice.
Send it.
He's off to the races.
The climb down is on the other side of the rock.
If you're going that way, can we move your pets?
No, I think no.
we're good.
There's also, I don't know what way you're trying to go, but there's a ledge foot on the right too.
Right foot on the little knob thing.
This little thing.
Yeah,
Can you put
right
your
there.
hand? Can you put your palm on the right thing? Right here.
What?
Your palm right here. Look at the.
Look at the
wall.
light.
Palm.
Look to
side,
your right.
side.
Right
Right
side.
side.
Not catching it. Shoves
Palm.
you towards the
Can you palm that? Oh, there you go. Yeah, just palm your way up, and then keep catching the rail on the left side.
Right foot on the knob.
There you go.
If you fall to the right.
Yeah, and I'm just here to try to shove you that way. I'm not catching.
Hey.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Dude, you just flashed that thing.
Looking at it.
I'm like, where's their gazebo? Let's chill. Party Central. Where's that one guy?
There you go. Yeah.
Nice.
He's such good shape. Shimmy, shake.
Nice.
He's like centimetering up the wall.
Oh my. Are you okay?
Oh my god, that was like
I fell into the crack. I like how you fell, worried the shit out of all of us, and then didn't say anything. Pause to adjust his headlamp.
I'm alright.
And then left foot up for a jump. And then you just flag the right or swing. And you do that the whole way. Nice. There you go. Double up, double up, double up. Double up right here. Push it back.
I'm gonna stop out.
How did
Oh my
you,
god.
How did
Oh
you,
my god, like what the heck?
How did you move sideways? I was moving the pad with it.
You just jump without any.
I kind of just did pull-ups the whole way. Jump.
Oh my god, the impact. You good?
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, post. 3, 2, 1, post. 3, 2, 1, post. Okay. Ooh. Left him in the car. It was so hot that everything just turned into one. It tastes better like this because the texture is just nicer and all the flavors are just in one.
It tastes way better, right?
Testimony.
Oh, these are the sour ones too. What a blend of flavors.
Yeah. Morning. Hey, Kwa, what's the climbing fit for today? That's the fit. Let's go.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just